Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's color is red. So I hope you like this look. I really love it, and I hope you guys continue to watch. Don't forget to hit that subscription button and that notification button. So first we're going to start off with this Makeup Forever palette. We're going to use the red color and we're going to place it all over the lid. Our transitional color for today is Eyeshadow out of the Juvia's Place Festival palette, which is this pretty red, and we're going to place that all over the crease with a large fluffy brush. Okay, so now we're going to take this next color. This is from MAC. This is called Uninterrupted, and then we're going to blend down the red eyeshadow with this color. Okay, for the star of the show is Love Plus by Sugar Peel, and this is our main color. We're going to place that all over the lid and blending it up into the crease. So next we're going to take this beautiful color out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and this color is called Bronze, and we're going to use this color for our eyebrow highlight as well as the inner tear duct. So now we're going to take that Makeup Forever Flash palette. We're going to use the gold, and we're going to place that on the waterline. We're going to use this as an eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner and lashes off camera. I'm going to go ahead and highlight and conceal with this Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep, and we're going to place this under the eyes, on the nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, and under the chin. So now I'm going to highlight, and I'm also going to use this as a face powder. For the highlight, we're going to use Topaz by Ben Nye. For the all over face powder, we're going to use Sienna and Chestnut Mix. And you know how the program goes, the same old usual. We're going back in with Love Plus by Sugar Peel, and we're going to place this on the lower lash line and buff it out. highlight and contour. For highlight, we're going to use this Maybelline Chrome something, and for the contour, we're going to use Black Radiance in Deep Ebony. Now for the lips, we're going to use this Rimmel London lip gloss in Kiss Me You Fool. We're just going to place this all over the lips, blend it out, and that is the finished look. Okay, you guys, here's your sexy red look. Don't forget to let me know what color you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.